Okay, guys, so here's what I got from Jackson's. This is a sport steering wheel for a 75, 76, 77 Cordoba. As you can see, Cordoba. And fun facts about Cordoba, or Cordobas, they're named after um, a a town in Spain. Actually, the same town that Ricardo Montalban was born in. So yeah, she's a little cracked, as you can see, but definitely fixable. And it's the same color as Ken's interior. Came up pretty good. Got a fender badge for Ken's Cordoba, but he's gonna make this into one of the one of the taillight badges. Yeah, they use this. Yeah, they use this medallion. Oh man, 5 times almost in the Cordoba. Yeah. So yeah, that this was $30, and I do have the nut for this to hold it on. So yeah, can't thank 75 Imperial enough for helping me pull it and pull it off of the steering column. That, that's cool. Go check out his Instagram. It is 1975 dot imperial. He's got a very sweet 75 440 Imperial. I'll catch you.